Ooh, we got some fun, entertaining facts today. We found the naked calls, the naked shares, the synthetic makeup, how this is all malarkey. DFV, aka Roaring Kitty, Keith Gills, whatever you want to call the man, has taken or has bought 120,000 call options for the June 20th strike date. Now, the interesting thing about 120,000 call options is it represents 12 million shares. Fun thing about the number 12 million. If we look at the 13F that lets you know who's actually investing in this company, for people that actually sell these calls, these people sell call options to people. And we've got a list of names like Sequina, Citradel, Jane Street, are all names I've heard of. There's a bunch of other names. But total, they own 9,409,323 shares. Now, what's interesting about that is that's about $2.5 million or 2.5 million shares, shares that they're missing on this one trader alone. Now, let's think about that for a second. With this one trader alone, that's 12 million shares, 2.5 million naked synthetic possibilities out there. That means that's more shares that they own. Even if they liquidated everything they had, they would have to go buy 2.5 million more shares based off this one trader alone. And let's not forget, this is not one trader alone. People, maybe even myself, no financial advice, like to follow his trades. They do similar things. So one might imagine there might be a few other people who've decided to buy this exact call option on this exact strike date. It doesn't even have to be the same price. The same date alone puts them in a mad hunt for shares, which we wonder what that will do to the price, correct? Now, all these shares are currently in the money. As I'm saying this, last I checked before recording, stocks are up 11%. It's currently sitting at $29.50. He bought $20 call options with a $5 or something premium. So anything over like $25, $26 pure money plus a potential premium. Now, when we mention the potential premium, the fun fact sticks out there. So most call options don't get exercised. That's what all these money market makers are pretty much anticipating when they sell these call options. They don't anticipate people actually exercising the options. These are just options. And especially if you're selling call options on a stock that you think is going to go down. That's how you make money while it's going down. You sell calls for it to go up. The problem is we're playing a game of musical chairs here, folks. There's not enough chairs. The numbers don't lie. 2.5 million shares short off him alone. And let's not forget, most of these seats have already been taken by these institutions, by the retail investors like myself. Millions of shares, DRS. Look at the DRS numbers. There's not that many shares in the free float. And that's all I'm saying. Please let me know if you found anything that I've got mistaken or wrong. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks for checking out Stock Story Vault. We'll see you on the next one.